So I don't know if the actual door pillar needs to move back a little bit. All right, welcome back. You guys can probably hear it's raining again. I think today we're gonna try to finish this fender, as in get the rest of the paint off of it and maybe put some self-etching primer on it. And before we do that though, we're gonna run out to the barn, a couple of wrenches to see if we don't have some hinges on one of the doors still. And if we got hinges, we'll put them on and we'll kind of test fit the door without the strap and everything and try to move it to where we need it to be. Right now, I'm not sure if that's right or not. So we'll get the hinges if they're out there, put them on the door, put the door again, take the rest of the bubble up paint off, try to get the dent out, and maybe spray some of the self-etching primer on it and call that good on the outside, but then I have to flip it over on the inside. Hopefully I'll get some lizard skin or rhino liner, get that cleaned out and spray that on the underneath. Is my plan at least. Right now, if you look down, there's a Chester's down here. I have Boyd down here and Fat Boy's in here a minute ago, so they'll probably be out here with me since the door's open and it's raining. But anyways, let's grab a couple of wrenches, head to the barn, see if there's hinges, and snag those and come back in here and start to work. Doesn't look like much, but it's pretty wet out there. Good thing I mowed yesterday, but let's head back there and see if we can find some hinges. All right, we're in the barn now. That's what looks like going back to the house. That's where the Bronco is. I got my 65 still waiting on us. Bronco half cab top. If anybody needs one, it'd be for sale. Hinges may be in there. Come to think of it. Let's look on the doors though. We got some kind of little, can use some work, but maybe that will get us what we need. I'm gonna take these off right quick and then we'll head back to the shop. All right, we got them. You can tell they're a little wore out, but I think that will help quite a bit with the fitment of the door. Hit the fender first, get that kind of all the bubbling off, and might put a little bit more on the lower part of it and let it bubble up, probably mess with the door. But we'll put these hinges on the door and get it set, hopefully, and then we'll see how our gapping looks. But let's hop over there and get to work. Well, that took way too long. They get all the trim holders or clips off. We went ahead and repasted it with some of that stripping gel. Hopefully, see it's already starting to bubble up. Hopefully let this sit while we mess with the door. And then here in a little bit, we can come back, scrape it off, and hopefully maybe put some that etching primer on it. Maybe a few spots to get off with that little grinder, but anyways, let's go over here. I lost my hinges already. Oh, there they are. All right, we'll put the hinges in the door and hang the door, see what it looks like. Well, this is what we got today. As you can see, there's no gap here. And I don't know. Well, let me push you down for a second. All right, looks like the door just fell. I think that's because this moves around too much. I think this thing would be back here like this. It was way heavy. Probably need to have that strap back on it right quick. Let me put the strap back on it and then I'll look at it again. Okay, it fits a little better now. You can kind of see it's wider down there than it is up there. So I'm probably gonna have to get some shims to push this top out a little bit. That'll make that right here go down. And it may bring it closer. Can't tell really what's going on. If y'all can tell by this what I need to do, please let me know. I know the bottom's kicked out over there and the top's too far this way, so the door needs to go like that. But something gave a while ago. Everything's still attached, but it's where I think it needs to be against back here. But there's only two little screws holding this door pillar in. So I don't know if the actual door pillar needs to move back a little bit, or if I should just get some shims and try to shim the door opening. I think as far as I want to work on it today. I mean, kind of
pain. But we're slowly getting there. What I'll do now is take all this off. Maybe might have to leave it for tonight. But I'm gonna try to hammer this dent out right quick before we paint it. Let me flatten that back out. So we'll do a little bit of hammering, give this time to set, see if it bubbles up some more. I think we pretty well got it out. There's a slight indent right there still, but once we get all this off, we'll get a little bit better. I think that'll do it for me tonight. I'm gonna leave this here. Thinking on a little bit, I thought maybe they were right-handed and left-handed hinges, because these hinges came off the passenger side door. I mean, they should work the same on either side. If I'm wrong, please let me know. That could be what my issue is. Thinking I'm gonna go with these kind of quick release hinges. Need to save up a little bit of money, but I think those will be nice and look good too. Well, I think that'll do it for me today. Glad I found the hinges. Still doesn't fit right. Let me know what your suggestions are on moving it. I think next time I'll wait on y'all's comments for this. But we'll pop back over the fender, hopefully finish it out, and there's a few dents down around where we patched in some weld on those little pinholes. I need to work on that to get those dents out because there's a bunch of Bondo in there. If we do that, then we'll hopefully spray everything off. And over here, my littlest one's out there yelling at me. But anyways, we'll hopefully finish this fender next time. And then hopefully by the time I'll have a better idea what to do here. I may try to call in somebody to help me. I'm not sure yet. We'll get this figured out and start welding it hopefully soon. But anyways, if you like this kind of stuff, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Please like, comment, subscribe. It does help the channel. And thank y'all for sticking it out with me. I know these last few videos have been kind of rough and boring and tedious, but like I always say, I'm gonna take you on every step that I do to it. That'd be stripping paint off the fender to messing up the door for an hour. But we'll get it. Hope you had a good 4th, and I'll see you next time.